Hello everyone, this is the third chapter of our series tabulation. Okay, what is the meaning of tabulation? Okay, so see, in the previous chapter we have studied the classification of data. Okay, tabulation can be considered as the next operation of the classification. We use in a day-to-day life various types of tables, for example mark list, electricity bill, balance sheet, okay, railway timetable, etc. Presenting the information in tabular form. Tabular means table form में जो information हमें fill up करनी है, we call it as a tabulation. Okay. Statistical table gives orderly arrangement of data in columns and rows. Tabulation is one of the simplest way of summarizing the data. It is an important way to convey the information in a meaningful fashion. Okay, so what is the first definition? First definition is tabulation. What is the meaning of tabulation? See, the word tabulation suggests the meaning. Tabulation means what? Table. Okay. A statistical table is a logical listing of quantitative data in a various rows and columns with self-explanatory title, row heading, column heading and notes regarding source of data, context, etc. Okay, मीन्स जो भी हमें डेटा दिया है वो डेटा अगर हम टेबल फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट करते हैं, ओके, टेबल फॉर्म, ओके, टेबल फॉर्म में क्या होता है? देयर आर रोज एंड कॉलम्स, ओके, दीज आर कॉलम्स एंड दीज आर रोज. अगर हम इन कॉलम को कुछ टाइटल दे देते तो हम उसको क्या कहेंगे? रो हेडिंग, कॉलम हेडिंग. एंड रो को अगर कुछ टाइटल देते हैं तो क्या कहेंगे हम उसको? रो हेडिंग. ओके, CABCD आर माई कॉलम्स, 1, 2, 3, 4 are my rows. Okay, this is the definition of tabulation. A statistical table is a logical listing of quantitative data in a various rows, okay, and columns with self-explanatory. What is the meaning of self-explanatory? Means जब हम टेबल को देखते हैं तो टेबल को देखते ही हमें उसका मीनिंग, उसका डेटा समझ में आना चाहिए कि एग्जैक्टली इंफॉर्मेशन किस बात की है. तो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी देखते ही हमें समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. ओके, सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी टाइटल, रो हेडिंग, कॉलम हेडिंग, notes regarding source of data and context, etc. Okay, this is about tabulation. Okay, next is the part of tables. Okay, it is always asked in exam for 4 marks. Describe the parts of tables. Okay, first is table number. Table number. Table number. What is the table number? At the top of every table, at the top of every table, a number should be mentioned. A number should be mentioned. Okay, for ready reference. For ready reference. Okay. So many times we saw in the various books. Suppose अगर टेबल दिया है यहाँ पे, okay. Suppose table. Contain rows and columns. What they gives table number. Table numbers. This is the third chapter na. So first table है तो 3.1. Table number 3.1. So at the top of every table a number should be mentioned for ready reference. Table number 3.1. It is the table number. Okay, understood? Okay. Second part is the title. Okay. What is the title? Title is a table should have a suitable, brief and self-explanatory title. Okay, टेबल का टाइटल कैसे होना चाहिए? इट इज have a suitable, brief, deep and self-explanatory title. मीन्स जब टाइटल हम देख रहे हैं तो समझ में आना चाहिए कि नीचे टेबल में क्या है. इट शुड गिव आइडिया अबाउट द कंटेंट. टाइटल पढ़ के ही कंटेंट हमें समझ में आना चाहिए कि इस टेबल में ये कंटेंट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओके, सपोज क्लास वाइज distribution. This is my title of table, class wise distribution of students. तो ये टाइटल देख के ही मुझे समझ में आ रहा है कि कुछ तो क्लास वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है टेबल में. ओके, फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर, FY, SY, TY. ओके, नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स 1 2 3, ये कुछ तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है क्लास वाइज. तो मुझे ये टाइटल देख के समझ में आना चाहिए what is the content. Okay, it should give the idea about the content. So what is the title? It is a table should have a suitable, brief and self-explanatory title. It should give idea about the content. Okay, next is the third part, stub. Okay, what is a stub? Stub is a row title in a table are referred as a stub. इट इज द रो टाइटल. जो रो है हमारे, उनको जो टाइटल होगा, ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्टब. ये जो रो के टाइटल है इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? स्टब. ओके, रो टाइटल इन अ टेबल आर रेफर्ड एज अ स्टब. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ कैप्शन. कॉलम हेडिंग इन अ टेबल आर कॉल्ड एज अ कैप्शन. कॉलम हेडिंग्स, कॉलम्स की जो हेडिंग है आर कॉल्ड एज अ कैप्शन. ये जो है ऊपर कॉलम्स की हेडिंग, यहाँ पे हम कुछ तो हेडिंग्स देंगे. ओके, सो कॉलम हेडिंग इन अ टेबल आर कॉल्ड एज अ कैप्शन. ये हो गया हमारा कैप्शन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द बॉडी. व्हाट इज द बॉडी? दिस इज द मेन एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ द टेबल. बॉडी इज द मेन एंड मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द table because it include the numerical data, numerical information. Okay, this is the body of the table, body of the table. Okay, because it include numerical data, numerical information. Okay, okay, head note. It is just place बिलो द टाइटल. टेबल का जो टाइटल है उसके नीचे जो आता है उसको हम हेड नोट कहते हैं. ओके, इट इज द न्यूमेरिकल डेटा स्पेसिफाइड इन द हेड नोट. ओके, इट गिव्स द इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज नॉट कवर्ड इन द टाइटल, सब और कैप्शन. ओके, ऐसे कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन है कि वो टाइटल, सब और कैप्शन में कवर्ड नहीं हो रही है. दैट टाइम वी आर यूजिंग द हेड नोट. ओके. Okay, next is a footnote. Footnote means what? It place directly below the table. टेबल के नीचे हमें अगर कुछ नोट देनी है, फुट नोट, तो इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? फुट नोट. मीन्स यहाँ पे मैंने कुछ सिंबल यूज किया, बॉयज के लिए सपोज बी यूज किया, सो यहाँ पे मैं बॉयज ये फुट नोट डाल दूंगी. ओके, सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज द फुट नोट. इट इंक्लूड द सिंबल्स, साइंस, abbreviations. Okay, it includes the information regarding numerical data such as self-explanatory symbols, signs, abbreviation, etc. The rounding of rules, those are used in the information of table, are also mentioned here. Okay, see, we called it as a footnote. टेबल के नीचे अगर हमें कुछ नोट देनी है regarding numerical information तो हम footnote यूज करते हैं. Okay. Okay, next and last is the source note. Okay, source note means it is observed just below footnote. Footnote के नीचे हमें source note लिखनी पड़ती है. Okay, it gives a particular of the source data such as publication, page number, table number, etc. Okay, means अगर हमने कहीं से वो टेबल फेच किया है किसी और बुक से, तो हमें वहाँ पे वो मेंशन करना पड़ता है कि ये टेबल हमने यहाँ से लिया, फ्रॉम दिस बुक, फ्रॉम दिस पेज, फ्रॉम दिस टेबल नंबर। तो वो जो है सोर्स, यहाँ पे सोर्स लिखना पड़ता है, ठीक है, सोर्स नोट। ओके, it gives the particular source of data such as publication, page number, table number, etc. See, this is the example of table. Okay, here we mention the table number, then title, then head note, stub. Stub means row headings, row. Okay, caption means column heading. Okay, body means numerical data, footnote and source notes, note if needed. Okay, this is the model of table. Okay. Okay, next is the type of tables. Okay, there are three types on the basis of number of characteristics involved in it. Okay, first type is one-way table. What is the one-way table? Consider the single characteristics only. Okay, single characteristics here. Okay, stub or caption is divided into the groups. This is the stub. Okay, divided into the three groups. Maybe stub divided into the three groups or caption divided into the three groups. We called it as a one-way table. Okay, in this is a simple type of table which considers single characteristics. This is the single characteristics. Okay, class is the single characteristics here, and it is divided into three groups, fy, sy, ty. Okay, then we called it as a one-way table. Stub or caption is divided to include the groups of characteristics under the study. Okay, simple table है. This is the title, class wise distribution of students, class, number of students, maybe यहाँ पे कुछ numerical data होगा 25, 50, 30 and total. Okay, this is one-way table. One-way table considers single characteristics. Stub or caption is subdivided into the groups. For example, table 3.1, class wise distribution of student, class, number of students, fy, sy, ty and total. This is the simple table. We called it as a one-way table. Okay. Next is the second type, two-way table. What is two-way table? In this type of table, two characteristics are considered simultaneously. Okay, two characteristics are considered simultaneously. Stub and captions are subdivided to include two characteristics under consideration. Okay, stub and caption are subdivided divided to include two characteristics. Okay, next is one characteristics is for stub and other characteristics for caption. Okay, we will see the example. Okay, okay, this is the example of two-way table. See, table number 3.2, class wise and sex wise distribution of students in a certain college. Okay, see here, stub is divided into two characteristics, sex and class. Is for, one is for caption, one is for stub. This is for caption, this is for stub. fy, sy, ty. Okay, we can write here total. Okay, total. Yes, male, female and total. Okay, we can also write here footnote. Okay, suppose this is M. What is M here? M for male. Okay, इस तरह से हम टेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं. Okay, this is the two-way table. Okay, this is the third type, three-way table. Okay, three-way table consider three characteristics simultaneously. Okay, it consider the three characteristics simultaneously. In the construction of such a tables, in order of precedence among the characteristics should be first fixed on the basis of their importance. Okay,
see the table. What is table number? It is 3.3 and the title is class wise, faculty wise, sex wise distribution. ओके यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है इसलिए मैंने टाइटल थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर दिया है. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट इन अ सर्टन कॉलेज ABC. ओके, so class. Okay, next is faculty. Okay, faculty further divided into three parts: art, science, commerce. Okay, class grouped into three: FY, SY, TY total. Okay, in the arts this is male, female and total. In the science, male, female and total, male, female and total. Okay, this is the three-way table. One more thing, below the table we can add the footnote. Okay, below the table we can add the footnote. What is a footnote? Footnote is, what is M here? M is male. Okay, F is female and T is total. Okay, this is the three-way table. Next is a higher order table. Okay, in this type of table contain more than three characteristics. Okay, however, as the number of characteristics increases, number of characteristics अगर increase हो रहे हैं, table become very large. Okay, it is complicated and confusing. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Just concentrate on three types. First, one way, two way and three way only. Okay, construct several two way or three way tables. एक और दो हम two way, three way tables higher order में कर सकते हैं. Okay, ठीक है? Okay, we will see the example number 10. Okay, represent the following information in a tabular form giving a suitable title. Okay, this is the example. Read it carefully and convert it into tabular form. Okay, basically these things are given in the example. Okay, very big solution of this example. It is asked for 10 marks in a last question. Fifth question में 10 marks के लिए ये question पूछा जाता है. Okay, so they mention here 1981, 1982. Okay, 1981 and 1982 and 1983 also. Okay, grocery, vegetable, medicines and novelties. Okay. We are converting it into the tabular form. See, in 1981, sometimes they ask very simple examples. Sometimes they ask a little bit complicated. Okay, so this one is little bit complicated, not exactly. In 1981, as we know, जो भी पता है वो लिखना है हमें. as we know, क्या पता है हमें? total sales in 1981 is, okay, see, this is grocery. I use G for grocery. Okay, V for vegetable plus V plus M medicine plus T textile plus novelties. Okay, we suppose let total sale is X and for textile it will be will be 30% of x as given. एग्जाम्पल में ये मेंशन किया है कि सेल्स ऑफ टेक्सटाइल वॉज 30% ऑफ द टोटल सेल ड्यूरिंग द ईयर. ओके, दिस स्टेटमेंट इज मेंशन इन द एग्जाम्पल. ओके, फिर क्या लिखेंगे? x इज इक्वल टू 625,000 प्लस 22 plus 188,000 plus 9400 plus 30%. What is the meaning of 30%? 30% is replaced by 100 of x. 30% of x into x. Okay, this statement is given. Okay, 30% of x, इसके लिए मैंने प्रॉफिट लॉस में परसेंटेज ये टॉपिक पढ़ाया है, तो आप वहां जाके देख सकते हो कि हाउ टू फाइंड 30% ऑफ x. ओके, then x equal to 127, ये सब ऐड कर लिया मैंने भी, प्लस 30% एज इट इज, 30/100 इंटू एक्स एज इट इज. ओके, देन कैलकुलेट इट. 1,127,0,0,30 and this 20 added. Take LCM of this. Okay, 30x whole divided by 100. Okay, x equal to LCM लिया मैंने यहाँ पे, nothing else. Okay, take a cross multiplication. This 100x equal to 1,127,1,2,3,4,5 plus 30x. Okay, 100x, ये 30 को मैं यहाँ लाती हूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा? 100x minus 30. Okay, 100x minus 30 means 70x. 1,127,1,2,3,4,5. Okay, find out x. How to find out x? This term divided by 70. Okay, 161,0,0,0. Okay, calculator allowed it. Put all the values in the calci and find out x. It is 161,000. Okay. So total sale in 1981 is rupees 161,000. Okay. And for textiles, it will be 30% of x. No, x is this term. 30% of x. X equal to 161. Okay, means that is rupees 483,000. ये मैंने कैलकुलेट करके रखा है. अब कैल्शियम में वैल्यूज पुट करो और फाइंड आउट करो. ओके, next in a 1982. Okay, total sales in a 1982 is 10% of x. x already हमें मिला है. Okay, this one x की value is this. Okay, 10% of this value is 161,000. Okay, total sale in 1982 is 10% of x plus 6. Okay, so और में हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Okay, 10% means this value plus original value, तो ये आ गया हमारी total sales. Okay. Okay, next they mention in example Grocery and vegetable shows respectively 8% and 10% increase over their corresponding figure in 1891. Okay, 1891 में जो ग्रॉसरीज की जो फिगर थी उसके ऊपर 8% सेल है. ओके, तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? ग्रॉसरी इक्वल टू 8% ऑफ 625,000 प्लस ये 1981 की वैल्यू. ओके, 8% ऑफ दिस अमाउंट इज 50,000 प्लस दिस अमाउंट इक्वल टू 6,75,000. Okay, this is about grocery. Now next is vegetable. Similarly for vegetable, okay, read the statement carefully and convert it into the calculation. Okay, 10% of this amount is 2, 80 का हो जाएगा 1, 2, 3 plus original amount 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so total is 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3. This is about vegetable. Now medicine. Okay, next is medicine. What statement is given? Medicine dropped by 13,000. So medicine equal to 1,75,000. कुछ नहीं, जो मेडिसिन है पहले मेडिसिन क्या थे? ओके, मेडिसिन की अमाउंट थी 1,88,000. ओके, माइनस मैंने क्या कर दिया यहाँ पे 13,000 ड्रॉप हुआ है ना, सो इट इज 0,005,371. ओके, सो दिस अमाउंट फॉर मेडिसिन. ओके, नाउ novelties. Okay, it is for novelties. Okay, next is in a 1983. Read the statement carefully and convert it into the mathematical form. Okay, in a 1983 total sale in a 1983 is this one. Okay, grocery decreased by this amount, so grocery become, okay, कुछ नहीं, मैंने सब्सट्रैक्शन किया है सिर्फ. वेज, दिस सिंबल इज फॉर डिक्रीज, दिस इज वेजिटेबल, दिस इज मेडिसिन, नॉवेल्टी एंड टेक्सटाइल. ओके, डिक्रीज बाय मीन्स जो अमाउंट में से मैंने क्या किया है वो सब्सट्रैक्ट करके वो फाइनल अमाउंट निकाले. ओके, दिस इज फॉर 1983. ओके, नाउ वी गेट ऑल द वैल्यूज. नाउ वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द tabular form. Okay, tabular form is the final answer. Okay, this is our final answer. This is the table. We can write here table number. Okay, table number 3.5, 3.1, 3.0. Okay, then title. Okay, year 1981, 1982, 1983 here. Okay, this is G for grocery, vegetable, medicine, textile and novelty. We can add in a footnote also. G for grocery. Okay, V for vegetable, medicine. Okay, these figures are in 1,000 rupees. Okay, 625,000, 220,000. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Please share, like, comment and subscribe. Okay, we will see in the next session. We will see the 4th chapter. Okay, it is very, very important chapter. In this chapter we are going to see the mean, median, mode. Okay, so keep watching. Thank you.